Welcome back to Spy Garage.
With its seamless integration of the brand's renowned engineering skill, sophisticated design language, and dedication to unmatched luxury, the 2026 BMW Luxury Motorhome is a significant entry into the high-end recreational vehicle market. This innovative vehicle, which offers a well-balanced combination of performance, comfort, and state-of-the-art technology, seeks to revolutionize the norms of mobile living. It is expected that the 2026 BMW Luxury Motorhome's external design would reflect the brand's modern aesthetic values. An eye-catching and instantly identifiable appearance would be created by sleek, aerodynamic lines, distinctive kidney grills combined with cutting-edge sensor technology, and distinctive BMW lighting components. Lightweight yet sturdy materials would probably be used in the body design, with carbon fiber components may be added to improve handling characteristics and fuel economy. Large panoramic windows would allow the interior to merge in perfectly with the surroundings, and integrated outside lighting and automatically deployable awnings would improve outdoor life. Inside, the 2026 BMW Luxury Motorhome would be the epitome of luxury and fine craftsmanship. Premium natural materials like fine leathers, wood from sustainable sources, and custom metal accents would define the living area. Spaciousness and adaptability will be given top priority in the design, which can include modular furniture arrangements to accommodate different needs. Sophisticated appliances and integrated storage options would satisfy discriminating foodies in a fully furnished gourmet kitchen. The sleeping area would be a peaceful haven with luxurious bedding and soft lighting that encourages sound sleep. The 2026 BMW Luxury Motorhome would prioritize technological integration. Climate control, entertainment, lighting, and security would all be controlled by a sophisticated central control system that is easily accessed via voice commands and user-friendly touchscreens. With seamless integration with personal gadgets and high-speed internet access, connectivity would be ubiquitous. Despite the vehicle's size, driver assistance technologies that leverage BMW's experience in autonomous driving technology would improve safety and maneuverability. Comprehensive surround view camera systems, automated parking assistance, and sophisticated navigation with real-time traffic updates are a few examples of this. It is anticipated that the 2026 BMW Luxury Motorhome's drivetrain will demonstrate the brand's dedication to efficiency and performance. A hybrid or fully electric drivetrain is very likely, in line with both BMW's electrification plan and general automotive trends, even though specifics are still up in the air. This would guarantee efficient, potent, and ecologically responsible operation. No matter the driving conditions, a sophisticated and comfortable ride would be provided by an innovative suspension system and electronically regulated dampers. To sum up, the 2026 BMW Luxury Motorhome is a daring concept for upscale leisure travel in the future. The demands of opulent mobile life are perfectly combined with BMW's classic design, performance engineering, and technological innovation. By appealing to those who want an uncompromising experience on the way and at the destination, this innovative vehicle seeks to set a new standard in the motorhome market.